We have all these likes and dislikes, the way things should be, the way we want them to be, the way they ought to be, that made us happy in the past, and now they're not making us happy now. What is that called? It's called anguishing monotony. Psychologists know we adapt to things. We adapt to things. Like, yum, I remember I used to love mangoes. When I first came to New York back in 1999, I was eating lots of mangoes. I was like, wow, mangoes, yum, 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 yum. After a couple of months, I didn't eat a mango for years. That was it for the mango. I don't know the last time I had a mango. That's the way it is with this life, with these earthly experiences. Not saying deny yourself the earthly experience. I'm saying we want this ever new joy that bubbles up from our mystical center, to live in that. And so what do we do? What do we do? Because we got these blockages that are following us around. They're following us around. Singer makes a very interesting point. He says, you know how dreams, psychologists know, we stuff stuff down. This is Sigmund Freud. We stuff things, we bury things, and then our dreams are a way that we cleanse this stuff. It's a way that our mind is able to heal itself, to get by the conscious mind, to get by the resistances that we have. And it brings stuff up in dreams so that it can be free. And we can't resist it. And he said the big breakthrough in his life is when he realized that the thoughts and feelings that occur during the day are just like the dream. It's the mind trying to heal itself of the stuff we buried. What do you mean? What do you mean? I thought it's because of what she said. I thought it's because of what happened. I thought it's because of what they did, why I'm so upset. It's not what he says. It's because of old stuff inside of us, and then when these things happen on the outside, it triggers this old stuff that comes up. That's why sometimes things happen out here and we get all upset, and it's not even what we thought it was. It was our own projection of our inner stuff. So we're carrying around this stuff, and it's blocking that experience of this inner bliss. This inner bliss. Like Satchidananda said, you know, it's you want stuff to be the way that it's been in the past, or that you unconsciously think it should be, so for you to be happy. Wouldn't it be great if we stopped setting conditions on our happiness? Wouldn't it be great if we could just be happy, no matter what happens? That's the spiritual journey, ladies and gentlemen, to be happy no matter what happens. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.